a pimento cheese palmier. So basically for any holiday, any occasion, sometimes just on a Tuesday, my dad loves to make pimento cheese dip. And since I'm not going to be with my parents this year for Thanksgiving, I wanted to bring a little bit of them here to Montana. So I'm making my dad's pimento cheese dip. I'm going to put it on that pie dough and roll it up in a fun way. And here I have some cheese, a little bit of sharp cheddar, and a little bit of sharp yellow and sharp white cheddar, a combo of both.
Is that cream cheese?
Yeah, that's cream cheese. It is not the holidays without cream cheese. You know what I mean?
I don't believe
cream cheese. And here I have our cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a little bit of smoked paprika.
Yum.
Give it a nice smoky flavor. This is a jar of pimento peppers. I drained these and I just put them back in the jar. But you just want to make sure you drain them because you don't want to add too much moisture to your dough. And then salt and pepper, obviously, got to season it up a little bit. And then my dad's secret to his famous pimento cheese dip, which is no longer a secret because I'm showing you right now, just a few dashes of white wine vinegar. It just kind of pops the flavor of everything, gives it a little acidity because that is, a pretty fatty thing. So you want to give it a little bit of acidity so it all kind of like pops forward.
Yep.
So put it in there, clip on our food processor, give it a whirl, and then back here I have some pie dough. Perfect. Doesn't take too long. You do want to make sure that you blend it up nicely so it's nice and smooth. If you have too many big chunks of cheese, they'll kind of melt out while you bake them. Slap that right on top of our dough, just like that. Give it a spread. And you want to go all the way to every single edge here because you want to make sure you have filling in every bite. Now we're going to roll this up. And this is how you roll up Palmier. I want to make sure you can see this. So we're going to start on one end, and I'm just going to bring it towards myself. I just like to flatten the first part and then just start to roll. And you want to roll until you reach the middle
and then stop
of your surface right here. And then I just like to flip it around and do the same thing. There we go. So then what I like to do, so then you basically have this shape right here, which is what you're looking for. What I like to do at this point is throw it into the fridge, make sure it's nice and chill. It just slices a little bit nicer that way. You could slice it like this and throw it in the oven, but it's a little bit easier to cut.
Gotcha.
So then, once it's chill, I just take it out of the fridge, grab an egg wash, give it a little bath in that egg wash, and then sprinkle it with a ton of sesame seeds to give it that nice nutty crunch.
Oh, I love that. So nice.
Yeah, isn't that fun? And then also in the egg wash, I put in a spoonful of Dijon mustard because while I was doing the egg wash, I was like, you know what? This is actually an opportunity to add a little bit more flavor to this dish. So why just let it be in regular egg wash? Threw some mustard in there so it gives it a nice tangy bite on the outside, which is kind of nice. Also, a great tip here is once you slice these, you can actually freeze them and put them into a little baggie like this. And you can bake these from frozen. So if you want to make these now, you can do them like this and bake them off tomorrow. Or if you want to have these around the holidays, just slice them up, throw them in the freezer, and you can bake them whenever you like. So once you slice them up, I'll show you a couple. You want to do about a 1/2 inch slice here. And then once you slice them, they kind of squish a little bit. So you just want to give them a little boop. So they kind of open up and have that little beautiful palmier shape. And I have some back here that I can show you that I already baked. And here they are, our beautiful little palmiers.
Yay!
It's beautiful. Nice
gorgeous
sesame action on the side.
It's amazing.